will we have another alt season? Let's talk about it right here, right now. Just not too long ago, a few hours ago, I saw a comment regarding the disappointment of the people saying we will never, ever, ever have another alt season like the way we did in December of 2017. And I'm here to tell you guys that that is not the case, all right? We will, in fact, have another alt season just like the one in December of 2017. And not only just like the one in December 2017, but more than that, okay? You're probably saying, Edward, how is that even possible? How are you so sure about that? Well, let's look at the data, all right? All right, so right now we have a chart of the altcoin market cap dating all the way back to May 2013, all right? So this is 6 years of data. It isn't 10 years, but it gives us enough to work with. And from what we can see right here, if you look at the overall market cap of altcoins, they've done tremendously well within the past 6 years, right? If you would have invested at that bottom right here, caught the bottom on these altcoins, you'd be up right now, about 142,000%, right? That's more than Bitcoin, all right? So you would have actually made more money holding altcoins than even holding Bitcoin. So there's that, just saying. But anyways, so the question is, are we going to have another alt season like the way we did it in December 2017? Well, let's look at the chart. In December of 2017, this was a run up we had right here. We had a 700% gain. That means on average, most altcoins did about 600 to 700%. There were some that did even more, right? I don't know if you guys remember like VeChain. VeChain did like 2,000, not like 20,000%. Tron did similarly, did like 18,000%. Of course, Ethereum did like 1,000%. Neo did like 1,000%. So there was a lot of 10x's. A lot of people were making a lot of money very quickly in a short period of time. And that right there was this little period right here. See, this was only a 2-month span. If you bother to zoom out, that's only 2 months out of the 6-year period that altcoins have been running up. When I got into cryptocurrency, guys, it was around this area. It was around February 2017. Literally, I pretty much caught the entire run. All right, I'm sorry, but I did. I really did. I caught 2/3 of it. I didn't catch this bottom down in 2015 or 2016, but I did catch that 2017 run, and it was glorious. All right. In fact, I'd argue that we made way more money in early 2017 than we did in December 2017. So there's that to put it out into perspective. But now let's look at current data to pretty much prove my point that we will have another alt season in the future. All right. So let's draw out our little trend lines. To me, what's kind of going on, it's kind of clear. Like, to me, at least it looks pretty clear. To me, what's going on is that we're getting a nice consolidation on altcoins, meaning we're just flagging out for an extended period of time. Now, that's not to say that, we're going to, retest this bottom down here and hold it and just bounce, We could very well have a falling wedge, right? We could have something like this where we end up going lower, but eventually, we will get this, a nice little tight wedge, which would be ideal. We had something similar to this back in 2013 to 2015, 2 years. Do you guys see a recurrent theme here? The last time we finished our altcoin run was January 2018. 2 years later, that's 2020. All right. So it is not all uncommon for altcoins to consolidate for 2 years time, right? And during the same time period, altcoins didn't rally. They didn't do crazy gains like they did back, before then, right? 2013. And I'm assuming they probably did more earlier than that point, but this is what we have currently recorded. So what I'm trying to get at basically is that eventually, once we get to the point where altcoins are nice and consolidated, nice and tight, right? Just, to the point where they have nowhere to go, nowhere to breathe, then eventually we'll get to that point where altcoins will eventually just break out of that wedge and then continue to, make some new highs. And maybe some of your favorite altcoins, again, maybe they might survive. All right. And the reason I say maybe is because a lot of the altcoins that did phenomenal back in 2013, 2014, they're not around today. All right. Or if they are, they're probably like, renamed. I guess that's the word. Sorry guys, I have a dog. Basically though, we will definitely see a new paradigm eventually when that day comes. And the only time that that day will come is when Bitcoin makes higher highs. All right. So if you watched yesterday's video, I did talk about this, that I do expect Bitcoin to continue to consolidate for an extended period of time. And I don't expect Bitcoin to break into a higher high until next year, or just a little over a year from now, really. And during that same time period, I expect altcoins to do the same. I expect altcoin market cap to consolidate for a year's time, from now to into 2020, maybe into 2021, really. The same time period that I expect Bitcoin to consolidate. Because the moment that Bitcoin breaks out to new highs, so will altcoins. Altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. But again, that only happens when new money starts to flow into the markets. And so that will be quite a bit from now. So if you are a little hesitant, if you're feeling like,
we're never going to have an alt season,
because a lot of people are feeling that way, well, we will. You're both kind of right and wrong at the same time. We will, but not yet. And it's going to be a little while longer. All right. So if you're planning on holding alts, expecting quick gains in the next coming months, or it might be a little while. And frankly, I don't believe you should be holding alts, to be honest. Most of them are crap. Yeah, I said it. Your favorite altcoin's probably crap. I'm sorry, guys. I had a shot of tequila, so I'm a little lit right now. Anyways, but yeah. So what you should always be focusing on is focusing on the next big thing, the next hyped coin, right? Earlier this year, that was, let me pull it up. That was Link, right? Link was a hyped coin and did phenomenal. Let me pull up another one. That was Matic. Matic also did phenomenal, did a 10x, all right? And so basically what I'm trying to get at, if you're not actively searching and finding the next big thing on the next big exchange, then I'm sorry, you're falling behind, really, and you're going to fall behind quickly, even into the next bull run, because your favorite coin most likely at this point is dead. And the people that were hardcore followers for it are probably gone, and you're the only one left on it, and you're probably gonna hold its entire market cap. In fact, you'll probably be the CEO. Yeah, that's right. You'll be the owner of a shit coin, and you'll be proud of that. You'll put that on your resume. Okay, I'm done for the day. All right, so basically, to get to the point, guys, eventually we will get an alt season, but it is going to be quite a while before then. And if you're not patient, I'm sorry, this market's maybe not for you, because there's definitely a lot of money to be made regardless whether there's an alt season or not. Within just this little run right here, most altcoins performed at almost 400%. I mean, you would have 4x'd your money, right? If you would have caught the bottom, of course, but no one catches bottoms. But that's just the overall market cap. So there's definitely still a lot of money to be made in this market. But if you're expecting 10x returns, 20x returns, crazy returns, to be a millionaire overnight, it's just not going to happen yet. When that day comes, I'll be ready. You'll be ready. And hopefully, if you're still watching this channel, and if you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, you will be ready too. All right. Anyways, I'll end it here. I think we're just about to hit 10 minutes. Before I end it though, be sure to go check out our Facebook group. Links in the description below, guys. Yeah. In our Facebook group, we do like to talk about technical analysis. We talk about, some of the profits that we make trading. And overall, I'm just trying to build out a nice community of traders for cryptocurrencies, because rarely you don't ever find traders. You find hodlers, people with fundamentals. I'm sorry, guys, that doesn't work, all right? Trading does. Technical analysis works. Fundamentals, it's a 50-50, all right? It's a guessing game, in my opinion. That's like rolling the dice at a casino. Yeah, I said it. I'm sorry. But if you want to be a trader, be sure to join the cryptocurrency traders group. Links in the description below as well. So that being said, I'll see you on the next one.